Hello everyone, welcome to Amor Talk. On April 12, 2021, the General Administration of Customs of China, also known as GACC, announced the registration and administration of overseas manufacturers of imported food, GACC Decree 248, which already took effect on January 1, 2022. Till now, more than 70,000 manufacturers have obtained registration numbers and keep exporting to China. Decree 248 replaces the existing regulations. Administrative Regulations on Registration of Overseas Manufacturers of Imported Food, Decree 243, issued by GACC on 2018. Decree 243 merely imposed registration requirements on facilities importing meat and meat products, aquatic products, dairy products, bird's nest and bird's nest products. Upon the implementation of Decree 248 on the first date of 2022, all imported foods shipped to China, of which the final production is completed on or after January 1, 2022, are required to have their registration numbers issued by GACC on the inner and outer packaging of the products. Below are a number of highlighted areas for compliance with Decree 248. All overseas food manufacturers, processors, and storage facilities shall register with the GACC for imported products to China. Only the production, processing, and storage facilities of food additives and food-related products will be accepted. The China Imports Food Enterprise Registration System, also known as Safer Single Window System, which is GACC's official registration system, particularly for overseas food manufacturers exporting to China. Registration of overseas manufacturers of imported foods include recommendation for registration by competent authority of the country and region, and application for registration by a manufacturer. The two registrations differ based on the specific type of the imported food. The GACC divides the foods into two categories: specified food and others. Specified foods refer to 18 food categories which shall be recommended by the competent authorities of their country or region to the GACC for registration. Both specified food and others registration are applied in the Safer Single Window system. The difference is the former submit need competent authority as well as GACC's approval. The latter's application will directly go to GACC. Regardless of the application method, if the applicant is not familiar with China's regulatory requirements, technical specifications, and handling procedures, the application will fail and a lot of valuable time will be wasted. In view of this, it is highly recommended that the manufacturer entrust a professional compliance company to be responsible for the relevant application to ensure that application can be accomplished successfully and efficiently. Usually, a compliance company is responsible for the below. Fully coach applicants to prepare documents or credentials to ensure that they meet the requirements of GACC regulations and technical standards. Submit the application in the system and follow up till the manufacturer gets the registration number. Communicate with competent authorities or GACC officials to solve the problems encountered during the process, to ensure the smooth progress of the registration. Assist applicants for on-site inspection of production facilities if necessary. Assist manufacturers in renewal procedures before the registration number expire. The entrustee company must be proficient in GACC registration regulations and professional technology. Importers or buyers' expertise is trade rather than technology management. If a non-professional entrusted company submits unqualified application to the GACC, it will sure cause the failure of the registration, resulting in a waste of time and money. What's worse is the loss of the vast Chinese markets. If necessary, the GACC may request documents related to the manufacturer's food safety, sanitation, and protection system, such as floor plans of the factory, workshops, cold storages, and the processing flow charts or others. The GACC or GCC entrustee institutions shall set up a review team to conduct evaluations and reviews of the overseas manufacturers applying for registration. The evaluation is conducted in forms of document review, video inspection, and/or on-site inspection. A review team is composed of 2 or more reviewers. Overseas manufacturers of imported foods and the competent authorities of the country or region shall assist the GACC in carrying out the aforementioned evaluation and review. The contents and standards of the evaluation and examination shall be carried out in accordance with the relevant guidelines of the WTO, OIE, IPPC, and CAC, as well as the relevant inspection and quarantine requirements agreed between the GACC and the competent authorities of the country or region, and as per the relevant laws and regulations of China and national food safety standards. The assigned competent authority will depend on the country, but it will be working in alignment with your national Ministry of Agriculture or government agency that is in charge of food safety and hygiene. You can also reach out to us for information. The applicants may check the process and the result of the review through the registration system. The list of registered overseas facilities will be published on the official GACC website. The information made public on the list will include the applicant's names, address, registration number, time of the registration, and expiry dates of the registration number. Decree 248 is set up specifically for registration for food manufacturers whose products will be exported to China. If the exporter is only responsible for exportation of goods and do not process or produce the goods, they should only submit an export filing on a separate system. As a leading service provider of comprehensive regulatory information and compliance solutions, GACC Registration Service Organization already successfully undertaken numerous compliance projects for companies exported to China. We will continue to monitor and provide insight with respect to GACC's imported food registration topics. Should you have any inquiries about this, please do not hesitate to contact us.